Anycubic 3D printer. Costs $219. It's got a similar build to the Monoprice. That's what made me want to get this. I wanted something that I can print on a larger scale. So I went with this, with the same design, something that auto calibrates. The Monoprice was ready right out of the box. The Anycubic won't be. I know there's going to be a lot of assembly with this one. Couldn't tell you how difficult it's going to be. I just know for the price, it's almost positive it's going to be a lot of assembly. Ooh, let's see what we got here. So it does come with an instruction manual, a power cable, wow, yeah, this is going to be in-depth. All the triggers and everything for stopping the stepper motors, tools, USB, snippers. Yeah, this build is going to be in-depth. Came with a roll of black PLA. A lot more than the CR10, and a lot more than the Mini Delta. They came with very small spools of filament. All right, this looks like the power supply. A ruler, a scraper. I'm gonna unpack everything and then I'll get everything laid out on the table. Alright, these looks like the arms. Huh. I don't know what this wire's for. That's kind of random. That's part of the frame. Alright, the heat bed. There's the bed. There's the motherboard. What was that fell? Fell from, okay, I see. Fell from here. Ooh, how am I gonna get that back in there? I'm gonna go in and get that fixed now, so I won't lose it. There we go. Okay. Okay, this isn't even stuck on yet. Alright, I'm running out of space to stack this stuff. Alright, the front display. USB. More wheels, I guess, for the... Alright, the extruder. And all the cables to the extruder. Oh, no. There, another stepper motor. Wheels. Gloves. A bracket. Gloves. Alright. I don't think there's anything else. This package is fairly small. It's a pretty big printer. That's why I knew it was going to be a really in-depth build to put it together. Let me get this to the side. Let's get everything laid out now. auto leveler. Throw these gloves to the side because I don't see myself using any gloves. Take the space with a sticker. Put that there. This here, here. I'll stack these 3. Display. Scraper. I don't know what these are called. Wire I'm put to the side because maybe it's going to have a purpose somewhere down the line. I don't want to toss it. Another one of these. And put all these 3 together. Power cable. Let's put behind the power supply. Stepper motor. Put there. I'm going to get these miscellaneous pieces out now too. Alright, more screws. So a lot of the little bags are labeled. This one isn't labeled. I can just tell what some of the stuff is. S5, S6, S3, S2. I came with 2 SD cards. Don't know what size they are. I'll check that in a minute. S4. So I'm gonna take an educated guess and say the S means step. I'll move this right here. This cable right here. Ruler. And then we'll try to get these in order. Okay, is this the S? That doesn't have an S on it. So I have step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, cable tie, put that over there. Step 6. These unlabeled bags, but looks like they're just the triggers to stop, so it knows when to stop on. Let's see. Wire snippers. This cable tie. Alright, tools. Alright, an SD card reader. It's like another bracket. It's most likely for holding the filament. I just don't know yet. More cable ties. Tweezers. Another cable tie there. Alright. I'm gonna assume when I go in the instruction manual, they're gonna let me know what this why there's only step 2 through step 6. Go ahead and put in the manual right here. Alright, so that's all the parts that comes inside the kit. My next video, I'll assemble everything. I'll put the link in the description below to let you guys know on Amazon where you can get it. And once I do the assembly, you can kind of make the choice if this is something for you, if it's something you want to go through when it comes to getting the 3D printer. And I'll let you guys know when I do the assembly, like how difficult it was and roughly how much time it took me. Because I'm not going to make you guys watch an entire video of me assemble. Of course, I'm going to clip through. Because it's like it could take me a couple hours to assemble this. I just don't know yet just by looking at it. And depending on how detailed the instructions are. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more. Have a great day.